general, the added value of PETA is that we actually have now a open, easy to use web page or web map that anybody can use to get a first, you could say, appreciation of these local conditions all over Europe. So in that sense, I think it's one of the first continental scale web maps over Europe in terms of heating and cooling sector activities and so forth. I think the way ahead will definitely be to complement continental maps like these with more local maps, building on more higher detail data on the local level. And those two levels or approaches or perspectives could be very complementary, I think, for the future. Well, one of the topics we are really examining here is district heating systems and you could say the conditions or conditions for expanding district heating in Europe, and a basis for that is, for example, heat demands distributions, but also the costs of investing, and also the availability of nearby sources such as excess heat sources, but also renewables, yes. That I would say is one of the main values, at least in this PETA map, yeah. But I would like to add that although we are partly focusing on, or one of the focuses are the district heating and cooling systems, when we sort of determine the locations for those systems, we are indirectly also determining suitabilities for heat pump solutions or other heating alternatives, which are, you could say, classified depending on distribution of heat demands in a way, or heat demand density. So we are also could say identifying suitability for other heating options other than district energy solutions, for example heat pumps or boilers and so forth.